Yeah. Number 19, given that angle 1 is 65, find the measure of each. A is alternate interior angle measure, B is vertical angle, C is corresponding angle. Good. So 1 is here.
Wait,
Um,
so you give them one.
Let me see. Let me see, make that a little bit smaller and see if you can see all that. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Yeah. Okay, so angle 7, we know angle 3 will be 65. So 65 plus, okay, we find the alternate interior angles. Good. Alternate interior angles is this one and that one. And so therefore, 1 is 65. So therefore, 2 would be 180 minus 65, give us 115. Good. Yeah. We good on this one?
Mhm.
So therefore, 2 and 7 are the same. So 7 is also 115 degrees. And the B is vertical angle. Vertical angle is always, vertical angle for 1 is 6. So 6, vertical angle is always congruent. So that equals to 65. Good. Grayson, we good? Yeah. Then corresponding angle is always congruent. So this and this. So 3 will be 65. Okay. All right. Lines parallel if alternate interior angles are equal. Explain why using a diagram. So I'm just going to show you how to uh, how to explain that. So if we alternate interior angle, that means this angle or this angle are congruent, and which means this angle, so this is congruent. Then this angle and that angle are supplementary. So this add is 180. If that's the case, then those two lines will never touch. And we can see why. Assume that if it touches, then we have a problem because this and this already 180. And we know that triangle cannot have more than 180. So therefore they cannot make triangle. And that's how everything based we started is the two consecutive interior angles, they are supplementary. And because that, then alternate interior angles has to be congruent. Okay, let's do 21. If 3 and 5 are consecutive interior angles and 3 is 100 degrees, what is 5?
Sorry, which question are we on?
21. Okay. Well, remember what, yeah, very good. So add together, they're 180. That's very good. And 21, we're okay on that one. 23. 4 and 6 are corresponding angles. If angle 4 is 180, what is angle 6? Yep, they're the same. Okay, so now let's move on to a lesson 4, quadrilateral. Uh, define the following quadrilateral and list two key properties for each. So we start with parallelogram. So what's the definition of parallelogram? Grayson, are we good? We're on 25.
Wait, I responded to 23.
Yeah, I know. We're doing 25 now.
Okay,
Okay.
one sec.
Yeah, focus. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Opposite parallel. And the two key properties for that is the opposite sides are congruent and this also congruent. Good. And another one is this angle and that angle are congruent, and this angle and that angle are congruent.
Mm.
Okay, what is rectangle?
Rectangle.
How do we define that? Yeah, well, rectangle is not necessarily say one side, this side is longer than that, but in general understanding, that's the case. Okay. Otherwise, you get square. So actually,
Mhm.
square is a special kind of rectangle. So in a way, rectangle just means all the that is 90 degrees. Okay, what's a rhombus? Yeah, very good. Opposite angles are equal, diagonals are uh, uh, perpendicular. Actually, the definition for rhombus is that all the sides are congruent. Good. That's the definition. So what you said there is we call that properties. Okay, how about square? Right. Very good. Trapezoid. Very good. Kite. Okay, very good. Move on to 26. A quadrilateral has all sides equal and all angles right. What is it? Good. Grayson, 26.
One sec.
Yeah, very good. 27. True or false? All squares are rectangles and all rectangles are squares. Right. So all squares are rectangles. That part is true, but not all rectangles are squares. 28, finding the missing angle. A quadrilateral had three angles measuring 90, 85, and 100. What is the fourth? Grayson, are you good there? Grayson? Hello, Grayson. Finding the missing angle. A quadrilateral has three angles measuring 90, 85, and 100. What is the fourth?
Sorry, what question are we on?
28. Yep, very good. 85. Classify the quadrilateral. One pair of parallel sides, legs are equal, and base angles are equal. So we're doing 29, okay? Kristen? Good. We're doing 29.
Oh, okay, there we go.
Okay.
Sorry, the screen was loading.
Yeah. Classify the quadrilateral. One pair of parallel sides, legs are equal, and base angles are equal. Yeah. So what kind of quadrilateral that is? Good. Kristen? Yeah. My size is trapezoid. Very good. Determine if the following describes a parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal, diagonals bisect each other. What is that? It is 1. What do you mean by that? What doing
It is a parallelogram.
parallelogram? Very good. 31. Identify whether the following shape is convex or concave. So for A, one interior angle is 210. Is that convex or concave? Yep. Number B, all interior angles is less than 180. Are we good for B? We're still doing numbers 31. This B. Yep. 32, a kite has one diagonal 10 centimeter and the other 12 centimeter. Use properly determine A, if the angles are perpendicular, diagonals are perpendicular, and B, if any angles are equal. We're talking about a kite. So, so there are two angles are equal, which is on the, when you get this, the kite is like that. So only this angle and that angle are congruent. Okay, now we're going to do lesson 5 review. Match each quadrilateral to the correct area formula from a list. So the first one, what's the formula for which quadrilateral is this formula to find the area? So that could be a kite or a rhombus, okay? That works. How about base times height? For the second one. Yeah, is a rectangle or parallelogram with that. This one, half times base 1 plus base 2 times height. For this one, yeah. What's that shape? Trapdoor, yeah. S square. Yeah. Last one, half times base times height.
I'm gonna use the bathroom really fast.
Triangle, yep. So find the area square with side 6 centimeters. And 35, a rectangle has length 8 centimeter and width 5 centimeter. Find its area. Hello? Yep.
Sorry, what? That's right.
What doing 35?
Oh, sorry, I thought it was 34.
Yeah, we already did 34. A rectangle has length 8 centimeter and width 5 centimeter. Find its area. And good. And 36, a parallelogram has a base 10 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. What is the area? Yeah, we good? Number 36.
1 sec, sorry, my chat's glitching.
Yeah, a parallelogram has a base 10 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. What is the area?
Shh.
Okay, 37. A trapezoid has a base 6 centimeter and 10 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. Find the area.
We're on the trapezoid one, right?
We are doing the trapezoid. Yep. Yeah, very good. 38, a triangle has a base 12 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. Calculate the area.
Okay.
Yeah, we good. 38. Very good. 39, a rhombus has a diagonals 10 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find the area.
Which one?
We're doing 39.
Oh, sorry.
Very good. Let's do 40, okay? So 39, a rhombus has diagonal 10 centimeter times 12. Yeah. Okay. Very good. You already did the kite. Good job. I'll send out the the test today, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
It will be on the, well, we'll send to your mom, and also will be on the Google Classroom, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Alright. See you next time.
See ya.
Bye.